Hi everyone, thank you for coming. This is Wendy with Wendy's Paper Junk, and I wanted to share a project that I finally bit the paper and decided to do. I watch a YouTuber, hers is called Plan.Do.Repeat. I'll link her down below. She does some awesome planners, like planners, lists, and things, and she uses composition notebooks. I watch her all the time, and what I like is that she does monthly, oops, I'm shaking my camera again, she does monthly planners, okay, for the month. I have a planner, a calendar that I use all year long. Basically it's my day-to-day stuff, my bills and all that kind of junk. And what gets me is I have the whole year crammed into the book. Okay, so I've been watching her do these monthlies for a while now, and I'm finally gonna do an April one. And what's neat about these is that however you decide to set this up, if it doesn't work in April, when you do your next one for May, you can change it up again. So that's kind of what the biggest, the big plus sign is for this for me, is that what I can figure out what works and what doesn't each month until I can perfect it. Okay, basically all this is just a 100-sheet composition notebook. Okay, and I'm decorating my cover right now because I want it to look pretty. And this is for the month of April. I'll have it done in plenty of time. There's really not a lot of setup to it, okay? So I thought, while I'm putting this together, I will just show you guys how it's turning out and what you think. Oh, and then a friend of mine gave me this big whole catalog. She gets like dozens of them at a time, and she gave me one so I could use it to glue, to use as a glue sheet. So when I glue stuff, I'm not getting it all over my table. So I'm like, well, I'm going to use this. So, and then when it gets all sticky, I just flip the page and I'm on to the next one. I'm like, what a great way to use up a catalog that you normally wouldn't mess with. So let's see here. I need to clean up my workspace. I do know that. I do know I have to clean up my workspace. My this paper I found wasn't quite big enough for my front cover, so I'm just, working with what I got here. So, and then you just trim it off, and I'll show you what else. Maybe save that one. And I think, since yeah. Cute, cute, cute. Might need some. I know. I'm not going to go too, this is just a monthly planner, so I'm not going to decorate a lot. You just have divider pages. So, and what also she did is, in the front, she put a pocket because she likes to store her receipts, which is what I like to do. And then she has a cover page. And then she has her own printables. I think it's her own printables. You'll have to look for. So she has a monthly overview. So I have calendars from the Dollar Tree. I cut up for this one. So eventually I'll keep checking the store for a calendar that I can cut out and use and fit. But this will do for now. So all I'm going to do is just glue the calendar I picked. So give me a minute and I will show you the layout on this. Okay, I had to change out my calendar because apparently I had the wrong one. So I found this one in my stash and I glued it on the page. So, of course, I had to rip out the ones I messed up. But that's fine. This is like my first prototype for the month of April. So whatever don't work, I will change it for next month. So, and another thing she does glue two pieces together of paper throughout the whole book. I didn't do this time because I wasn't for sure if I needed to, or if, you know, if I wanted to put that much effort in. This did curl up on me, but I think it'll flatten once I get it all situated. So here is my full monthly view. Okay. Found one. It's fine. All right. And then this is my weekly view. So this is, so this is my week 1, which I made me tabs, which is so fun. Okay, so I still have to see if I had a page in between them, I would have had a divider page, but that's okay. I've learned. So I will put week 1 right there. Okay, so when I flip it over, this is week 1. So actually, this is a great time for me to use my stamps. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then this would be whatever. And these next pages are my dailies. So this would be for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Then I have a list of just, I could put to-do list for that week, whatever. This is just an extra page. And then I have an extra page here as a divider, because then my week 2 starts, which, let's go put it on. I think this is just a fun way to just kind of like, so you're not, you know, it's something different every month. So you're not kind of like stuck in the same thing. Especially if you like different things and you get bored, you know. So here's week 2, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You have a spot here. Then I have my dailies. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I have an extra page there, and then there's my week 3. So this way, you know, and since we're crafty people, I don't know about you, but I like to doodle. I like to, well, junk things up because I'm a junker. I'm a junk journalist, and, you know, I like to write things down. I like, you know, all sorts of things. So week 3, I just think this is fun because I love paper anyway, notebook paper. I mean, come on. So this is a great way to play with it monthly, daily, you know, weekly, and use it as your planner. I'll have a, all right, there's week 4. All right. And then I should have one more week ready to go. The last week, I think. I do, right there. Okay. So here's week 5. And then let's see. All right. Okay, so there's week 5. So I've got all my weekly tabs on. So after week 5, I need to make a spot here. So I got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, an extra sheet. And then I want one. She had a tab for social media, which is a great way for me to keep track of videos I want to do, or, you know, ideas. So I'm just going to put YouTube, since that's my main one. Instagram, that's, you know, that of course is will be in this tab as well. But my main thing is my YouTube videos. So maybe it'll help me stay on schedule. And since this is kind of a different, I'll start from the top. Okay, so I got YouTube. So I don't know how many I need for YouTube. So we'll just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sounds like a good number. And then I want to do one for ideas. I always have ideas, no matter how good or bad, or if they work or they don't. If they could be the craziest idea, whatever. But you know what? That is the mode of creating. You get ideas, and I get them all the time. A lot of them aren't any good. I end up throwing a lot of stuff away because they turn into trash, but you know what? It's okay. Okay, so there's my ideas page. All right, so normally I would have had a page between my full page of the month. I would have had a so like these pages here, I could put fancy paper, like divider paper, that starts at the beginning of each week. So I need to do that just because it makes it a little bit more fancy. All right, and then I start, there's my YouTube info, there's my ideas, and I'm not quite sure what else I want. So as of right now, as long as I have my weekly and stuff done, I think I'm pretty good. And then I can tweak it as I go to see what I want to keep track of and what I need. So, that is basically it. And so what I need to do is finish prettying it up, because, you know, I have to make it pretty. And then, I'll number my, let's see, Thursday is the 1st. So I'll number these, and I'll probably just write everything in as well, you know, because 1, 2, 3, or let's see, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So my would start Thursday the 1st. So I got to number and label them. So, which is no biggie because my yearly planner doesn't have anything either. I have to fill it all in. But that is the plan. So I'm going to link her down below. Check her out because hers is much nicer and fancier. But this is kind of the concept. And I just did it here. I mean, and I didn't use a ruler or nothing, you know, wobbly lines, whatever. This is just for you to keep track of your month. So, and I mean, it's cheap. It's a composition notebook from Walmart. So, I mean, what, I think these were like 57 cents when I got these. So we're good. So I will finish this up, and you know what, maybe I'll just keep you guys updated and show you how it's looks toward the end of the month when I start a new one, and what changes or additions I've added to it. So like, subscribe, share, check out her video down below, and you guys might get inspired to do one yourself, or, you know, a different type of planner or goal list or idea book. So, all right, that's enough rambling for me. Thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you soon.